So I have been working on this presentation which is about the comparison of unemployment rate between Germany and France. I have got a few slides done which you can see here, but some are good to go and others still need a bit of work. The part I'm still figuring it out is a graph that shows unemployment rates in both countries. I looked online but most of the data either wasn't recent or didn't seem reliable. And since it's a comparison, I want to make sure it is accurate and consistent. So yeah, that's been a bit of a challenge. Alright, so let's start by typing in the query here. I'll quickly update the filters also because I want to set the starting year to 2020 and ending year to 2024. Once that's done, I will apply the filters and click on visualize. Okay, looks like there are quite a lot of options here. I'll just click on the first one. This one shows the monthly unemployment rate for US, Germany and France, and this is actually what I'm looking for, so I might go ahead with this one because this clearly compares between Germany and France. Since I'm only looking for one solid graph, I think this one fits perfectly. There seems to be many other options too, but honestly the first graph is exactly what I need, so I think I'll go ahead with that. I'll download this graph. I'll go ahead with the PNG option. Yeah, so the downloading has started. It has been downloaded. Now I'll go ahead and paste it into my presentation. So I've pasted the chart I downloaded into my presentation, and honestly I think it fits perfectly. It clearly shows a comparison between the unemployment rates in Germany and France, which is exactly what I wanted to highlight. The graph really brings out the point I have been trying to make. So yeah, I think I'm finally done with the presentation.